And the snow just started. ASMR driving in the snow for your pleasure. Relax. You can relax in the safety of your phone and enjoy some snow. Snow, driving in the snow, ASMR. Hear the snow gently falling. Maybe a little washer wiper action for your pleasure. Ooh, washer wipers.
At the froster house.
Are you using your ASMR voice?
I have to watch it real quick, yeah. There you go.
Okay. What's our speed?
30.
30. That's not bad.
Oh, Jeeper here. He wants to do 60. He's going to fly by everybody.
He's from Ontario. He's used to it. It's probably been snowing up there since July. We're lucky it didn't start in October, I guess. Can we see the playground? Can we see the water tower? This will tell you visibility. Ooh, we could still see the water tower. Can't see the park, but we can see the water tower. It's not that bad. It's only November. Don't worry, the snowbanks get bigger than the buildings. Huh. Small town USA living in the snow country. Christy's back. Not to worry. New York City let me go home. Greyhound may have wanted to keep me a couple more days. I said, nah. I need an adventure home. Get the horse and buggy.